Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to apply the Base of Sweden foundation the best possible way. After washing my face with ice cold water, I apply my rich moisturizer. I take one layer of the base. I rub it in well because it's waterproof, so it has to be well applied. Oh, here you can see the difference, how immediately you get the coverage. And it's waterproof and sweat-proof. And you can even apply it with a wet sponge if you want to have a little bit more of a coverage. Since the base is waterproof, it will not get absorbed by the wet sponge. I always apply one area at a time to get the perfect coverage. I'm going to do cheek and the cheek, and then I finish with the forehead. Like this, you're going to see how you get the perfect coverage. You have to apply it fast because it sets very quickly. I let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I go back for final touch-ups using a small brush to make everything perfect. The magic touch. Perfect! I use a lighter shade of the base as a concealer, and the more you put, the more coverage. The base has a matte finish, and to finish off my look, I apply some bronzer, a blush, mascara, and lip gloss. And I'm ready to go. Now my skin will look this great all day. I can go to the gym, I can go out party, I can go to dinners, I can even go out in the sun, go swimming. It's waterproof, and it's so covering, and it's also sweat-proof. The base for the women on the go.